Hi everyone, it's Lisa with Lelesdesigns. Today I will show you how to make this t-shirt for your American Girl doll or your 18-inch doll. But before we get started, I want to share this tip with you on how to use an old t-shirt. If you're going to use an old shirt and it's a kid size and it's a 1/2 inch in height, then go ahead and use it because it's professionally done. It looks so much nicer, less work we have to do. If you're going to do it that way, grab your pattern, fold it on the hemline, and then line it up with the bottom of the shirt and trace it. Here is the end result of the pre-hem. See how nice it looks? At the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to make this puff sleeve. So stay tuned. Go ahead and print my free pattern. It's down below in the description. Cut it. Cut out your material, and let's get started. Place the front of the shirt down, then lay the back of the shirt on top of the front with right sides together. Make sure it's lined up and repeat for the other side. Pin it, then take it to the sewing machine and sew 1/4 inch from the edge. After you sewed the shoulder, open up the seam and press it. You can use steam if you like. Repeat for the other side. Once you're done with that, let's go ahead and fold over our neckline 1/4 inch and press it down and go all the way around the neckline. Once you have the neck pressed out, we'll take it to the sewing machine and sew all the way around. And I already sewed mine out, so I'll show you right here. I started here and go all the way around to the back. Let's go ahead and grab our sleeves, fold over 1/4 inch and press it down. This is the wrong side. Right side is facing down. Do the other sleeve, and then we'll take it to the sewing machine and sew straight across. That will give us the hem for the arm. The hem of your sleeve should be stitched out. If it's not, go ahead and get that done. And what I like to do is fold this in half and then make a crease. And then I'm going to line the crease up with the seam, the center seam right there. Right sides together. I'm going to go along and pin it. And being this is a curve here, an arch, you're going to have to do it little by little. Turn it a little bit, tighten it, and pin it. Okay, you're going to do the same thing for the other side. Once you do that, we'll take it to the sewing machine and we're going to sew 1/4 inch from the edge to the end. After you attach the sleeves, go ahead and fold the back to the front. Line up the arm and the armpits. Pin it, and you want to pin the other side as well. Then we'll take it to the sewing machine and we'll sew 1/4 inch from the edge. After you sew the side seams, we'll flip it over and we're going to fold over 1/4 inch on the back end, do both sides, pin it, and then we'll take it to the sewing machine and sew straight down. Once you have the back side done, we're going to fold over our hem 1/2 inch, pin it, and then take it to the sewing machine and sew straight across. The last thing we have to do is our Velcro. So grab some Velcro. I'm using a 3/8 inch wide strip of Velcro, and you can choose the length you like. And you want to put one on the outside, one on the inside, take it to the sewing machine and attach it. And that's it, everyone. You are now done with your project, and your American Girl doll or your 18-inch doll has a t-shirt. In the following tutorial, I will show you how to make the sleeve. You will need a 3T or smaller t-shirt. This one was purchased at Walmart. And you want to make sure that the sleeve hem is about 3/8 of an inch or smaller. Let's turn our shirt inside out, cut the sleeve, and let's cut it as close as we can to the stitching. Once you have the pattern piece placed on top, go ahead and trace it out. Now do not worry that you have this little bit of hanging over. That's going to happen with some shirts. Don't even worry about it. We'll just place it there. And what we're going to do is trace it. I already traced it out, and you're just going to cut where the purple line is, and don't cut the pre-hem at all. Now that you have your sleeve cut out, we'll take it to the sewing machine and sew a base stitch straight across. And I marked it where you're going to start and stop on your pattern. And you can gather a little bit now. Grab your shirt. Do it like that. And I like to start at the ends. Usually about 4 pins, and then I'll start on this side. I'll match up the ends and pin it. Pin in the center, and then you could work on each side. Now we'll take it to the sewing machine and sew 1/4 inch from the edge. And you want to repeat this process for the other sleeve. Once you get done attaching both sleeves, open it up and you can pull on these strings, and that will take your base stitch out. That's how you make a puff sleeve from a pre-made shirt. Congratulations, everyone! We are done! Here's what the shirt looks like finished. These two shirts are made from a pre-made shirt purchased at Walmart. Next up is the white and beige shirt. It's made from a knit material purchased at a fabric store. My next video will show you how to make an iron-on for these shirts. Once I post that video, you can find it down below in the description. Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more of my videos, you want to hit the subscribe button along with the bell, so this way you'll be notified when my next video comes out. Thank you so much. Have a great day, everyone.